1 gram of radium is placed in evacuated vessel of volume 5 cc, assuming that each radium atom yields 4 helium atoms which are retained in the vessel, what will be the pressure developed at the end of 1 year? Pressure developed at the end of 1 year. So we should know the number of moles of helium produced. If you know the number of moles of helium produced from temperature, volume given here, we can find out the pressure of the helium. So one should know the number of moles of helium produced by the end of the year from the number of moles, temperature, as well as the volume. We can find out the pressure that is being developed. So for this we should know the activity first. Activity of radium should be known. Now the activity of radium, so activity A is given by N into lambda. So N is the number of atoms. N is the number of atoms. That is at the time of disintegration. Lambda is the activity. So here 1 gram is given to us. So mass is given as 1 gram. So this mass must be changed into number of atoms now. For that, we divide mass by molar mass and multiply into Avogadro's number. Therefore, activity A is equal to 1 gram is given to us, 1 by its molar mass into Avogadro's number, 6.023 10 to the power of 23. So this many atoms are there. So this many atoms are, this is the number of atoms. Now activity A is equal to, so N into lambda, which is equal to, value of N is the same thing here, 1 by 226 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23, number of atoms, into activity. Activity lambda is not given directly, but lambda is given in terms of the half-life. Therefore, 0.693 by half-life, that is 1590 is given years. This will be so many years inverse. The activity comes out to be so many years inverse. Per year, this many atoms have been disintegrating. And this value on simplification comes out to be, which is equal to 4.1739 by 226 into, it is 1590, which is further equal to 10 power 23 is there here, 10 to the power of 23 is there here, which is further equivalent to 1.615 into 10 to the power of minus 5 is there, plus 23, means 1.1615 10 to the power of 18. So many atoms disintegrate per year. This many atoms of radium disintegrate per year. Now we require number of atoms of helium produced at the end of the year. So each atom of radium gives four helium atoms. Therefore, number of helium atoms produced. Number of helium atoms produced is equal to number of radium atoms, that is 1.1615 10 to the power of 18 multiplied by 4. This many atoms are there. Therefore, number of moles of helium dividing by Avogadro's number 1.1615 10 power 18 4 by 6.023 10 to the power of 23. This comes out to be 0.77 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So many helium moles are there. Now pressure is equal to, now pressure P is equal to nRT by V, which is equal to number of moles 0.77 into 10 to the power of minus 5, R value 0.0821, T is known to us 300 by volume is given as 5 cc, so 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 in liters. So which comes out to be at the end 3.79 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So many atmospheres we have. So 3.79 10 power minus 2. Let us see the answer. 3.79 10 to the power of minus 2. So it's the same thing only. It is atmospheres only answer.